Hey guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and this is my Watch Gang Centum subscription unboxing for January 2018. If you didn't see what I received previously in my Platinum and Black subscriptions, definitely go back and check out those unboxing videos for the watches that I've received from Watch Gang's watch subscription service. Now, this is the Centum. Before we get started, two things real quick. One, this is the $1,000 subscription that comes out periodically. Lately it's been coming out every couple of months. They've had partners to be able to do it. This is my second last Centum subscription I received at Blanchette that I quickly traded away because it was not a watch of my liking. Second thing, before we tear into this box, do me a favor guys, subscribe button down there in the right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and smash that guys so you can follow us on into the future and be alerted when I take a closer look at what I received for my Watch Gang Centum subscription for January 2018. So let's get this box open. We have some packing and interesting packing. And what do we have here? All right, let's take a closer look at this Watch Gang Centum packing material. We have our partner cards, and inside, which we don't need that anymore, we have a Laco. If I'm pronouncing that one correctly, somebody please tell me. Now, one thing, there does seem to be a tag on the back of this. See if I can get it in focus for you guys. It says Las Vegas Laco 50 automatic chrono, $2,250. Now, who knows what that is? Let's hope it met my preferences and is a stainless steel band, but we will see, because one thing I found out recently is that they don't actually go by preferences for the Centum subscriptions, which would explain why I'm not getting anything that I like. But nevertheless, before I open this, I'm kind of nervous because the past two Centum subscriptions that I've received I have not liked, and I'm sincerely hoping this is not the third. So, opening it up, before I dive into it, real nice padded leather case, zippered leather case. It's almost like a travel case for a watch. So let's get this guy open and hope for a stainless steel band. However, I'm going to make a guess that it's not, considering it's in this long case versus a square case. And nope, it's not a stainless steel band, but it is a leather band, and it's pretty sharp looking chronograph though, I will say that. I'm definitely going to have to find out what movement is in it. Looks pretty nice. Whether or not it's worth the $1,000 I paid for it, you'll have to stop back by this weekend to find out when I do. But taking a quick look at this watch, the band's nice heavy duty leather. There's a lot of weight to this watch, which is nice. And it's a pretty sharp looking watch right there. In the box we have, looks like their warranty card, and sold to Watch Gang in January of 2018. That's the retailer listed, and then here's the specification manual, which we will have to go through in great detail because guys, we love reading manuals. So that's not going to happen. Anyway guys, thank you for checking out this Watch Gang Centum unboxing with me for January 2018. As I mentioned, definitely follow us, hit that subscribe button down in the right hand corner of the screen, and you will be able to follow us on into the future. If you have any questions, thoughts, initial comments on this watch, post them up in the comments section below and let me know what you guys think, or if you guys know anything about this watch before I dive in and start doing some research on it. As always, you can reach me at mywatchaddiction.com, and if you want to see what's on my wrist on a daily basis, follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/watchaddiction.us. Thank you guys, and have a great day.